so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a
Accident of the morning already. Must be going to be a great day today. I made it up on the tower. So a few flights of stairs down the drain. We're heading out on the small trail. Yeah, some spots are worse than others. Yeah, you're going the right way. We're already back. Oh, you got your camera now? Good one.
This is fun.
Tegan's got to jump past the stick. Here, we'll move it up a little closer because you got short legs. Okay.
Yep. Pump high, Tegan, so you can get a good jump.
You can do it. Oh, so close. Falling forward.
I want to swing.
Yeah, I'm in line. I'm in line.
No, I am.
Come on, cheater. Line cheater.
No, cutter.
Cutter, yeah. Line cutter. Hey guys, we're at the Relay for Life. We're walking a few miles, maybe?
Yeah, three,
Maybe four. Something like that.
Hi.
Oh, you recording? Hi. Hi guys. I had a pretty full day today. I did not do what I ate, but I have 10 points left, which I'm going to leave it at that because I have weigh-in tomorrow. And the scale is not looking so hot, so I'm praying that I can lose a couple pounds overnight. You know how that goes. But I got over 20,000 steps tonight. I've got 7.58 miles, which I have probably 4 or 5 miles walking actual. I've got 2,795 calories burned. 52 flights of stairs. We went to Red Mountain. And 110 minutes of constant walking. And I did get all of my 250 green dots. So yay! The Relay for Life was fun. I have my pink shirt on here because it's for one of Corey's co-workers who has been fighting breast cancer. So we wore the shirt for her. And we walked and we walked and we walked some more. It was a long night. We just got home and it's about 8:30. No, 9 o'clock. Wow. And we got over there at 6. So we've been walking pretty much the entire time, except for maybe half an hour of it. And we went up to Red Mountain about 10:30 and we left there about 1. So we did a couple trails over there. We did the tower. It was a big day. I came home and actually took a 45-minute nap, which was nice. Although I'm really super tired, so I'm going to get this video uploaded and get to bed. And then I will do a video tomorrow to let you know if I made it my goals or not. But that is it for the night. I just had boiled eggs. I had 3 doppio espressos today. It was crazy. So that was just 6 points there alone. I had some cheese. I had broccoli and cauliflower for lunch. And that was it. So I didn't have a big eating day, but I had enough that I'm full and I don't feel hungry at all. So that's it, guys. I will talk to you guys tomorrow morning for a weigh-in update and for a what I ate tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you think this may help anybody, please do share it. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
I wanna get to your clothes.